Hey, welcome to another broadcast of Master Investors Company. Glad to be here again. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new. We appreciate your attention and your participation with us here at Master Investors Company. We bring you the good and bad news of money, the business principles that work in all economies. We're going to be doing the 15 minutes workout challenge that we have going on. Leave a comment or a question if you have one. We're going to come back and answer those for you. But remember, the 3 simple steps are: commit to 15 minutes workout per day. Step number 2, you need to have a clean diet. And step number 3, take supplements that are helping you with step 1 and step 2. In other words, make sure you're eating vitamins or drinking vitamins, protein that are organic and plant-based, and things that literally helps you enhance the step 1, step 2. So I'm going to leave some links below so that you can follow them. We have lucrative opportunities and tools and resources that you can take advantage of here at Master Investor, okay? In order to have an extraordinary life, you need to feel good and look good. And so that's what we focus on, health too. The 4 pillars of an extraordinary life are health, wealth, love, and happiness. Okay, so we're gonna be doing a little bit of back. We're gonna mix it up as we always do. And I hope you're doing your cardio too. So go around the block. You know, if you're not at the gym, you can do this at home. You can run. You can walk, you can jog, you can start right now. That's the whole point. You don't need a gym. I'm just happen to be at the gym today. All right, we're doing 3 sets of that. I'm gonna add some weight now. Let me see if that person is using that. If you're interested in learning how to build passive income, how to make sales on autopilot using the internet, then I have an ebook for you. I'm going to drop the link below. You can go to our main website and get it from there. Just make sure you follow all the steps that we provide here in our comment section below, okay? I hope to see you in the inside of our inner circle with our paid members. You'll get a lot more benefits. Ready? Second set. All right. We're gonna add some more weight. Perfect. All right. We'll move to our next workout. gonna be doing this one right here. Lower this down a little bit. There we go. Ready? Perfect. I'm gonna add some weight. Ready? Let's go. Whew. We got one more set of those and we'll be done. Remember, if you want to do a lot of repetitions with small weight, then you'll be shredding. If you want to add muscle, if you already shred and you want to add some mass into your physique, then you want to be doing heavy weight and low repetitions. All right, so one, that's it. I'm done. If you watch any of my other videos, you already know I do abs on every workout. So if I'm doing 15 minutes today, I'm doing abs between those 15 minutes. I'm always adding to make my core stronger. I suggest that you do it. If you want to have a six-pack or you just want to have a flat stomach, get rid of all your fat, belly fat, this is the fastest way to do it. And take the supplements that I'm recommending, which I'm also taking. But you gotta work out your stomach. Look, I'm already sweating. We're 10 minutes in, we got 5 minutes left. And then we're gonna go to the sauna after this to do a cardio. All right, that was 3 sets. We're gonna finish strong. I'm gonna add some push-ups right at the end. Let's see if this one is empty. Okay, we're gonna do it right now. This back workout that really helps. All right, we got 1 minute left. We're gonna finish strong. I'm gonna do my last set right here. And then I'm gonna do some push-ups and finish with some abs. Then I'm gonna stretch and I'm gonna hit the sauna for about 15 to 20 minutes. Maybe I jump on the pool, do some laps. All right, last set. Perfect. All right. I'm gonna do some push-ups now. We're already 15, 16 minutes into our workout. I'm gonna finish my push-ups right over here. So you can see me, and we're done. There we go. Stand right there. We're gonna do some planks. Ooh, all right. I'm gonna see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your subscription. We appreciate it. Join us here on our mission, which is to elevate the financial well-being of humanity through high-quality financial education made simple, with lucrative opportunities to build passive income and true wealth and ultimate freedom. Check out all the links below that I'm leaving so that you can take advantage of them. Learn the new rules of money, the business principles at work in all economies, bringing you the good and bad news of money. We're done with another episode of Master Investors Company, and we adding every single day something positive to the channel. I'll see you next time. Stay strong and take care. Bye for now.